Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode and explain all of its settings for your Xiaomi 12, but it also works the same on any Xiaomi 12 series like 12 Pro, 12X and as I mentioned 12. So in order to enable it, we'll need to go to our settings, scroll down, find sound and vibration, scroll down again, and here you will see the section Do Not Disturb. You can enable it right here. And there's few settings which I'm gonna cover. So the first one is schedule turn on time, and if you enable it, you can put the schedule on where the Do Not Disturb DND. Let's establish that Do Not Disturb is a shortcut for it, and it's DND. From now on, you can enable DND for a specific time, and it will automatically start. So here is set for 23, it will start on 23 and end at 7 next day. Then you can set for a specific day, and that's pretty handy if you want to sleep without any interruption. Let's disable it for now. And the next setting is when device is locked. So that means when you have the Do Not Disturb mode enabled, and it automatically enables when you're only in device is locked, when you lock your device. The next option is to notify you about calls, and you can select specific group that will be able to reach you. So you can select none, then there's nobody that can reach you. If you select from stirred contacts only, you'll be able, the only people that are in your stirred contacts only will be able to reach you. From contacts only people on your contact list will be able to reach you, and from anyone, everybody will be able to call you. The next option is to notify about repeated calls. So if somebody tries to reach you 2 times, your phone will start vibrating and ringing. And that's all of the settings. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.